Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to do a video here and I'm going to ask if you see it and you agree with it to do me two favors. Well, do a couple things. Definitely share it, like, give it a thumbs up. Again, share it. And if you like the content, maybe subscribe. But anyway, reason being is I have done rideshare off and on for almost 5 years now. I am a retired first responder, and I've always tried to give information straight. A lot of people, that's the beauty of YouTube, we get to disagree, we can agree, that's the beauty of it. But I want to show you guys something that I've recently found out driving for Lyft, because I finished my phlebotomy school. I'm waiting for my state certification, and I won't be driving again for a while, hopefully, but I still have it. So I want to show you how to use the area map, steering your area map. I want to show you how to make the most money doing the least amount of driving when it comes to surge, bonus streaks or streak bonuses, and challenges. So stick around. You're going to like this. All right, so thanks for sticking around. And again, if you like the video and you see that the information is truthful, which I don't put out BS, I'm going to show you everything that I have done. These are all my screenshots, are from my phone, from my driving, so I could give you the most credible information possible. So I want you to take a look at the first screenshot. Check it out. So as you can see in the screenshot, the arrow is obviously my car. So the little area, black area above it, is the pin. And the radius is 5 miles. And you can see that I've unlocked a $2.50 bonus. Now, the reason I'm showing you this picture is this is key. First of all, since I don't drive that much, I'm a silver level driver. I only get two of the two filters, which is either destination mode or stay in your area. But what I have found out is using the stay in your area mode, depending, at least in my market, you can make that 5 miles, which is what you saw on the screen. You can go as far as 30-mile radius, which is 900 square miles. It's a lot of ground to cover. That means you can, if you're in that mode, and if you're in that 30-mile, yeah, you're not going to take a ride that goes beyond that radius, but you can get requested to go pick up a ride in that 30-mile radius, which means it can be 15 miles that way. Depending on where you're at, it can be 28 miles away. So minimize it to 5 miles and check out the next screenshot. So in this screenshot, you're going to see that I have a ride request, and the ride earnings are $3. The bonuses, however, are $4.25 for a total of $7.25. And I went 1.97 miles. So I went 2 miles. So that's $3.62 a mile, not 60. check out the next set of screenshots. In this screenshot, you can see that, again, I had a minimum ride, two miles, $3 pay. And I got a tip of $2, which was pretty cool. But if you look at the bonus was $3.50. So the total trip that I got paid was $8.50. Or, just for the sake of argument, $4.25 a mile. So, if seeing is believing, then I just showed you the best way to make the most out of using the surge, or using a ride streak or a streak bonus, by simply minimizing your area. Now I'm going to show you one more. This one's a little more entailed, but check it out. So on this one, as you can see, the ride earnings are $4.30, and the ride was estimated at 3.5 miles. The adjustment was they had the wrong address, so they changed it. So they added an additional $3.36. So that made well, we'll get into that in a second. Then there's a wait time of 12 seconds for 2 cents. That's so you get paid a penny for every 6 seconds. So with the ride earnings and the adjustment, the ride in and of its own, plus the 2 cent wait time, was $7.68. That's the trip. Yet the bonus was $3.75 for a total of $11.43 for 6 miles. That's basically $2 a mile. So again, these companies are ripping off drivers left and right. They're overcharging passengers. We know that. And, I've done this for a while, and I've done it full time, so to speak. I won't do it full time anymore. I don't drive unless there's surge, bonuses, ride streaks, challenges. There's no way I'm driving my vehicle, this one, for 60 cents a mile. Ain't gonna happen. But if you use these tools correctly, you can actually make a decent amount of money without spending a ton of money on fuel, wear and tear as far as driving and the mileage and all that other stuff. And the radius filter, at least on Silver and at least in my area, which is LA County, that one filter, even though it says it's got an hour countdown when you first start it, it will reset itself 3 times. So you can use one filter for 3 hours, or both filters for 6 hours. Now imagine having streak bonuses or a ride challenge, and you're down in Los Angeles or San Diego or Santa Barbara or San Francisco or Sacramento or some really densely populated metropolitan area. Set that 5-mile radius and go for it. Make sure you see where the surge areas are. Map it out before you get set up. Pin yourself in that area where you know those surges are going to be high for a while, and minimize your trips. The most you're going to go is 9.9 miles. Actually, let me rephrase that. You could be over here. You could go 9 miles, and you could actually have to come back. So you could go a total of 20 miles. But the chances of that happening are small, especially in a densely populated area. So your average trip may only be $4. But if you're getting a $4 surge or a $5 surge, if the surge is more than the trip, well, you're doubling your money. You're minimizing your driving, and you're going to knock calls out a lot quicker because you're not going long distances and then having to come back again. So I hope I gave you some good information. Please thumbs up. Please share it out. I just showed you the screenshots. It works. Set your radius up. Stay in your, that whatever your radius is, from 5 miles to 30, I would say minimum. Look at your streaks. Look at your challenges. Look at your surge. Do a little bit of work and make, in this case, as you saw in the screenshots, double your money. Make $2 or $3 or $4 a mile versus 60 cents. It's not hard. You just have to think a little bit. I hope that helps. I hope it was informative. And go out and get your money. Until next time, be safe, be professional, keep it real. If you must, drive on. And I wish you all the best of health. Use the tools that they're giving you and use them properly. And you can make a decent amount of money without driving your car into the ground. So, see you.